Hi viewers, so myself Dr. S. David Ramraj, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemistry, St. Joseph College of Arts and Science, Kadalur. Today, we are going to calculate the pH value in buffer mixture. So to calculate pH value in buffer mixture, we have to use Henderson equations. So first, we are going to calculate the pH for weak acid, buffer mixture of a weak acid and its salt. So I am considering a buffer solutions, taking acetic acid as a weak acid and its salt, sodium acid and its salt. Okay. So if we take a weak acid, how will it dissociate? So weak acid dissociates into CH3CO minus H plus. So it not completely dissociate. So some of the acid will dissociate and some of the into CH3CO minus H plus. Some of the acetate ions and H plus oscillates to form acetic acid. When come to salt, it completely dissociate CH3CO minus. So see the arrow, completely dissociate into CH3CO minus plus Na plus. So I am writing this equation as acid Ha reversible to H plus plus A minus. For salt, Ba gives B plus plus A minus. So equilibrium constants for this acid, I am writing Ka is equal to product concentration of H plus to concentration of A minus divided by concentration of Ha. So we are going to calculate the H plus concentration. So I am taking H plus concentration is equal to Ka into concentration of Ha divided by concentration of A minus. Here the concentration of acid Ha, why I am taking A minus? If you see here, the concentration of acetate ions when compared with the acid and base, so according to the common ion, so this acetate ion will get negligible. So this acetate ion salt will completely dissociate to give acetate ion plus Na. So I am taking this as a concentration of salt. Okay. So I am writing this equation H plus is equal to Ka into acid concentration divided by salt. So acid concentration divided by salt. So taking log on both sides, minus log on both sides and reverse sign, we are taking minus log H plus is equal to minus log hold into Ka into acid concentration divided by salt concentrations. So minus log of H plus is equal to minus overall minus into log Ka. So log into multiply means what will happen? It will become plus. So plus log of concentration of acid. So if we take up, what will happen? It will become minus. Minus log into concentration of salt. If you multiply minus to the whole, what will happen? So minus log Ka minus, so minus into plus, minus log acid minus into minus, it become plus log concentration of salt. So if we rearrange, what happens? Minus log Ka plus log salt minus log of concentration of acid. So log minus log H plus concentration is equal to minus log Ka plus log into concentration of salt. So if we divide a common log means the minus will become divided by concentration of acid. So overall, so log H plus we can write pH is equal to log of Ka, I think pKa plus log salt by concentration of salt by concentration of acid. So this is Henderson equation for buffer solution made by weak base and this salt. So for second, if you take a buffer mixture for weak base and this salt, so what happened? I am taking a mixture as weak base ammonium hydroxide and a salt as ammonium chloride. So ammonium hydroxide weakly dissociate into NH4 plus OH minus, whereas so ammonium chloride salt completely dissociated into NH4 plus Cl minus. I am writing this BOH reversible to B plus OH minus. It is in equilibrium condition. So whereas base Ba complete dissociates to B plus A minus. So when you taking equilibrium constants for base, Kb is equal to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus divided by concentration of BOH. So therefore, for OH minus concentration is equal to, so it will come to Kb into concentration of BOH. This B plus will come divided by B plus concentrations. So here B plus represents the complete dissociation of ammonium chloride salt. So it is, when according to the common effect, so it is, will take this one B plus. So OH minus and concentration is equal to Kb into this as base, BOH base, this divided by salt. So base by salt. So we are taking log and reverse the sign, minus log OH concentration is equal to minus log into Kb into concentration of base divided by concentration of salt. So minus log overall Kb into concentration of base divided by concentration of salt. So when you take minus sign, what happened? Minus log Kb. So when log multiply with, it will become positive charge. When negative charge multiply with positive, it become minus log concentration of base divided by concentration of salt. So minus log Kb minus log base, when you come up, what will happen? It become plus log concentration of salt. So if we rearrange, what happened? Log Kb plus log salt minus log concentration of base. So overall minus log concentration of OH is equal to minus log Kb plus log of concentration of salt divided by concentration of base. So this will undergo cancel each other. So POH is equal to Pkb plus log concentration of salt by concentration of base. So this is an Anderson equation for buffer solutions made by weak base and this salt. So we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14. So we know that pH plus POH is equal to 14, which come from pKw. So complete dissolution of water. So by we substitute this equation to find the pH. So what happened? So 14 minus pH is equal to Pkb plus log into concentration of salt by base. So pH is equal to what happened? This will come to this side. So 14 minus Pkb, this log will come this side, means minus log salt, concentration of salt by concentration of base. By this we can easily calculate the pH of the given buffer mixture. Okay, thank you.